Hey, hello guys, welcome back. So in this video we'll be seeing our next interview question on Python. So that is, get the second smallest element from the array. So if you can see that this array is given, okay, like 5 2 3 2 3 4 9 1. It could be a sorted array or it could be a unsorted array also. Now we have to find out the second smallest element from the array. So here, what is the second smallest array? Smallest element is 1 2, right? So first is 1 is the first smallest element and 2 is the second. Cool. So how we can do that? Let's see. Second smallest. Cool. So see, you can see the first method is that I will sort this, and using indexing I can get the second index. So it means that I will be getting a second smallest element. Okay, we can solve via this approach also, but here we can solve via multiple approaches, right? As I said you before. So here I will be using a dictionary, to understand what does dictionary do or does, right? So chalo, let's see. So here what I can see, first I will find out here what is the minimum, what is the smallest element. Okay, so if I just write here min underscore smallest as like this, right? And here what I can do, I can use, since this is the list, right? So I can use here min of nums. Cool. Now I will start one loop saying that for I in nums in this list. Cool. And here, see, since I have already taken, I do not need anything, I do not want now one, I do not need to look into the smallest element. So what I can do, I can put here one if condition saying that, hey, I should not be equal to what, min underscore smallest. Cool, like this. And let me just show you what it will return, and based on that we will try to see. Now you can see here we do not, you can see that we do not need we didn't get here I now, not I, 1, right? So here what I can do now, since we already know the first is the smallest element, right? First is the smallest element, right? And if I keep the difference, right? If I keep the difference, okay, so if I keep the difference of this minimum with every number, right? So, and where the difference is more, I can say that that is the smallest element. Okay, so I hope that you have understood. So what I am gonna do, since I have to create here dictionary. So there is one dictionary, dict, right? So dict of I is equal to what? I minus. So I is the smallest one. So I is the smallest one, or minus 1. So I can say like this, max, not max, min smallest minus I. Cool. And here I will just try to print. What? Dict, right? So let me run this. Now we'll see that it returns a dictionary. Why it is taking time. Okay, it is taking some time. Let me refresh this. Okay, so if I refresh it now, now you can see we have this 5 minus 4 minus 3, minus 2, and we have this minus 3 and minus 8. So here, since I have used minimum, so minimum 1 minus 5, 1 minus, so I can also make it like this. And if I run this now, then you can see we have 4, 1, 2, 3 and 8. And here what I can do, I can directly get min of dict, right? If I do this, then you will see it will return 2. Cool. So likewise, if I just change this question, and I am saying ki get the second smallest, not second greatest or largest. Okay, second greatest it should be. So greatest, right, element from an array. So here instead of min I have to use max, and everything would be get like, okay, no worries, let me just show you. Whenever you have some doubts, so it's better to run it and then see the output. Now you can see we have 5 is different between 4, so here the maximum is 9, right? So here actually I can put this difference like this. Now if I run this, then you will see we have 5 2 3 6. Now what is the minimum here? Second minimum, second greatest is 5, right? So it should return me 5. So here we have 4, here we have 7, here we have 6. Why 3 is repeating 6 times? No, sorry, my bad, it's not repeating. So if I use here max, right, we'll see. Now you can see it returns me 5. Cool. So this is the way how we can solve this problem. Maybe you have a different approach to solve this problem, I have a different approach to solve this problem, but make sure to learn a new concept every day and do more practice on these kind of questions. Definitely if you are preparing for an interview or data engineering interview, these questions definitely come over there. Okay, so if you're fresher or if you know already Python but you want to be good in Python, then I would suggest to take this course, Master in Python with Data Structure and Algorithm. Here we have 5 modules. The language will be in English, and then you can see that already 86 learners have been enrolled in this course, and it is going very good till now, till today, right? And now what you will be learning over here, see, you will be learning install Python, basics of Python. You can see it is of 7 hours of content, more than closer to 8 hours. Only basic we have covered, right? And then we have prerequest for data structure and algorithms. Now if I do if I just click on it, then you can see what is recursion, time complexity, sorting algorithms, user defined data structures, and so we have covered also data structure, because you should know at least the basic of data structure in it. Then we have problem solving with data structure and algorithm. You can see two sum problem. This is very important question. Then we have valid anagrams, valid bracket sequence based on stack, this based on binary search, then recursion, array and linked list. And then we have modules where we covered how you should write a complete code whenever you are working in your company, right? So using class object, using functional programming, using try catch and other stuff. So the first video or first chapter will be like utilizing concepts like what is API and all, and then we have multi-threading in Python. Apart from this, I will also be adding some new module in it in near future, not recently, but in near future I will be adding more questions in it. But this is not like what I am getting now. This is kind of premium question I will be uploading here also. So if you are someone who is planning to take this course, I would suggest to take this course right now. Maybe in future I will increase the price of this course as I upload more videos on this course. And from now I will be uploading the video, I will be creating a video to solve the problems. Okay, so I hope that you have understood this, and till chalo then, bye bye.